Hi, after testing many services from the best CRM software category, I've chosen the best one. I've been working with this system for over 7 years. Implementing CRM software is one of the best ways to improve customer relationships. In this short video, I'll tell you a few secrets that will be really useful for you. Let's not waste time and getting started.
Pipedrive is a powerful customer relationship management (CRM) system designed specifically for sales teams. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, Pipedrive empowers businesses to track every stage of their sales process effectively, providing maximum visibility and control over business operations. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, Pipedrive has the tools to enhance your sales strategy and drive revenue growth. Pipedrive's visual sales pipeline allows you to easily see where each deal stands in the sales process. With drag and drop functionality, you can move deals through different stages, making it intuitive to prioritize tasks and focus on what matters most. Pipedrive automates repetitive tasks such as sending emails, scheduling follow-ups, and setting reminders. This automation not only saves time, but also ensures that no opportunity slips through the cracks, allowing your team to concentrate on closing deals rather than managing administrative tasks. Gain insights into your sales performance with customizable reports and dashboards. Analyze key metrics such as conversion rates, deal velocity, and team productivity to make data-driven decisions that propel your business forward. With the Pipedrive mobile app, your sales team can stay connected on the go, access customer information, update deals, and manage tasks from anywhere, ensuring you're always in touch with your prospects and clients. Pipedrive seamlessly integrates with popular applications like Google Workspace, MailChimp, and Slack. This interoperability allows you to create a cohesive workflow, ensuring that your sales processes are aligned with your marketing and communication strategies. Prioritize leads effectively with Pipedrive's lead scoring feature. By assigning scores based on engagement and interaction, you can focus your efforts on the most promising prospects, increasing your chances of conversion. Pipedrive is designed for those who want to elevate their sales strategy. Its focus on sales activities, combined with insightful analytics, empowers your team to understand their performance better and identify areas for improvement. By adopting Pipedrive, businesses can not only increase their sales volume, but also enhance overall team efficiency, leading to a more organized and productive sales environment. Freshsales is an integrated CRM platform that provides everything you need for managing customer relationships effectively. This tool goes beyond simply storing customer information. It equips businesses with powerful automation features that make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Leverage the power of artificial intelligence to get actionable recommendations on potential leads and optimize your sales processes. Freshsales uses AI to analyze customer interactions and suggest the best next steps, helping you close deals faster. Freshsales allows you to customize data fields, create tailored reports, and build dashboards that meet your specific business needs. This flexibility ensures that you can track the metrics that matter most to your team and stakeholders. With built-in calling and email capabilities, Freshsales enables seamless communication with your clients. You can make calls, send emails, and log interactions directly from the platform, simplifying your workflow and keeping all communication in one place. Stay connected with your customers wherever you are with Freshsales' mobile app. Manage leads, respond to inquiries, and access critical information on the fly, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Freshsales provides robust reporting tools that offer insights into sales performance, lead sources, and team effectiveness. Use this data to refine your strategies and make informed decisions that boost your bottom line. Integrate Freshsales with other essential business applications like Zapier, Shopify, and Jira. These integrations help streamline your processes and create a unified approach to customer relationship management. Freshsales is perfect for companies of all sizes that seek to enhance their customer relationship management. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive features make it easy for teams to adopt and use, driving efficiency in managing leads and sales. With Freshsales, you can elevate your customer interactions and optimize your sales efforts for better outcomes. Apptio is a comprehensive platform for cost management that helps companies optimize their financial resources. Understanding how your money is spent is crucial for making informed decisions, and Apptio provides the insights you need to manage expenses effectively. Apptio allows you to conduct a detailed analysis of your expenditures across various departments. By identifying areas of overspending, you can make necessary adjustments to improve financial health and operational efficiency. Create budgets based on historical data and analytics with Apptio's user-friendly tools. This feature simplifies the budgeting process, making it easier to allocate resources and track performance against your financial goals. Get real-time reports on spending, enabling quick responses to shifts in business needs. With Apptio, you'll have the data at your fingertips to make informed financial decisions. Apptio provides visually appealing dashboards that make it easy to monitor key financial metrics. Stay on top of your expenses and make proactive adjustments to your budgets as needed. Apptio facilitates collaboration among teams, allowing for seamless communication regarding budgets and expenses. Ensure that all stakeholders are aligned and working towards common financial objectives. Easily integrate Apptio with your existing financial software, ensuring that your data flows smoothly between systems. This integration eliminates data silos and enhances your overall financial management processes. Apptio is an excellent choice for businesses looking to take control of their finances. By providing deep insights into spending and budgeting, Apptio empowers companies to optimize their financial resources effectively. With Apptio, you can enhance financial efficiency and drive growth through informed decision-making. In today's competitive landscape, choosing the right tools for managing sales and finances is crucial for business success. Pipedrive, Freshsales, and Apptio offer unique features and benefits that cater to various aspects of customer relationship management and financial optimization. By leveraging these platforms, businesses can improve their operational efficiency, increase sales, and make smarter financial decisions. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content about CRM tools, sales strategies, and financial management. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Join our community and take your business to the next level today.